The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado watch for Creek County, Payne County, and Lincoln County until 11:55 a.m. At 1:43 p.m. the National Weather Service Doppler radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 3 miles northwest of Bristow. Locations in the watch include Kellyville, Kiefer, Slick, Bristow, Depew, Lawrence Creek, Oilton, Shamrock, Silver City, Mounds, Millfay, Stillwater, Yale, Perkins, Ripley, Cushing, Ingalls, Glencoe, Mahan, Chandler, Kearney, Tyrone, Wellston, Prague, Kendrick, Meeker, Davenport, Fallis, Agra, Sparks, and Warwick. In addition, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail. The safest places to be during a tornado is in a basement. If a tornado warning is issued, get under a workbench or piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in the lowest floor of a sturdy building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and seek substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other rough spot and cover your head with your hands. Make sure to prepare an emergency kit consisting of clean water, perishable food, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Please stay tuned to your local news outlet for more information. This alert will be repeated in 1 hour.
People who reach into a carton of warm, crispy, golden, perfectly salted McDonald's world-famous fries and return with just one. Who are you, and how do you do that?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Creek County. At 3:22 p.m., a confirmed tornado was spotted 3 miles northwest of Bristow. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned to your local radio station via a battery-powered radio for more updates.